about valar morghulis again. Okay, it's 5 letters in that galaxy and 8 letters in that galaxy in the universe of that phrase. Now, if we plus 1, we're going to have a 6 and 9. Obviously, right? Read it backwards, it's a 96. Now, the 96 is important because the 96 depicts what the one-dimensional line. This is a 1 by 96 one-dimensional line, okay? Anyways, what's interesting about creation is that you have only addition and multiplication, nothing else. So 96 times 96 is 9,216, you know, forget the little things. I've been avoiding the thousands for a reason. Anyways, that number is basically this, okay? And we can all see what happens when we have 2, you know? What happens when we get a 3? Well, 3 makes 4 makes 5 because the 2 dots in that dot are going to be 3 makes 4 makes 5. Which is going to be basically a V and a 9-6, which I find very interesting. What also I find interesting, when you add the 2, you get 192. Now remember, you need, in the X, Y, and Z planes, let me just be clear, X, Y, and Z, you need 96 magnets. Now that's kind of funny, because what you're creating in the end is a singularity here. Now, not counting the axles, it's singularity that does not have a one-dimensional line. Its one-dimensional line is spirit, okay? Of whateverness, going back to heaven. That's our way out of here. To live in truth and to live in truth about free energy and cellular earth and everything. In spirit, in connection to God and source. Anyways, because you don't have a one-dimensional line, this 1 by 96, you know, doesn't exist for that singularity. So 192 is not the complete story because it depicts completion as if this one-dimensional line were there. Because we don't have this one-dimensional line, and you guys aren't understanding what I'm talking about, we don't have energy. Meaning, you know, sine or cosine, I don't really care. Okay? In the end, it doesn't matter because, look at it a different way, it's an S. And since we don't have an S, we have a minus 19, and a minus 19 is a minus 18 in a circle. Well, that definitely is a circle. So I think 18 is the proper units. 192 minus 18 is 174. You know? The total number of magnets in heaven to make 14 axles turn. All men must die, guys. I'm sorry I've been making all these videos. I'm inspired.